Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at the techtrader.com. It's Monday, July the 27th. These are the charts of the day. Well, interesting day on Wall Street. The markets didn't well, but underlying technicals were good. And quite a few stocks we follow popped today. We had a good trading day. BYIA was one of those stocks. And take a look at the long downtrend this has been. And this is a reverse split as well. But today, 90 million shares. The stock exploded from 246 to 11 to 611 and backed off to 491, up about 3 points, 155% in one day. Now there's overhead resistance here at about 6.5, and then we're looking at 8.5, 9. Possible we see that. Watch this for follow through. The FNS was another big one for us today, as it exploded from 578 all the way to 2118 after hours, and went right to the declining tops line and backed off to around the 16 range. I'm still up 11.5 points, 266% gain today, and it's still trading with 98 million shares. Now, if this one gets through here, we're looking at 28 potentially, where the lateral price resistance is above here, and then the declining 50-day moving average. ENTX, another popper today, went from 203 and doubled to 420. It's still trading near 4 after hours. 81 million shares there, up 94%. This one is a little different because it broke out across multiple tops and might very well extend to the 5-6 range. FIG, an old favorite of GCs. I like it too, especially today with the pop that took it from 21 to 23 nearly, finishing right around 22.88, just a few cents off the high, up 176 on 14.7 million. There is resistance ahead. I expect that to be tested near 24.85. You get through that, you might be looking at 27. LVWR Livewire also exploded today. We participated in part of that. It went from 130 to 357, tripling nearly, and backed off to 254, up 108, a 74% gain on 75 million shares. Heavy volume of these stocks. Now, this one got up to resistance and backed off, but if there is a follow-through, your target is 5. In CNO, I like this chart overall. A long downtrend, followed by a basing action. And finally, a run up to the resistance level. If it gets through here, there's a lot of room to run. I'd be looking at 19 and 22. OMER broke out of a weird-looking base today, but it spiked from 979 on almost 12, finished 1120 at 141, 14%. Volume picked up, the best we've seen in 3-4 weeks. I'm looking for a move now to 13. QETS on a deal with AT&T popped from 1736 to 1974, finished trading around 1950 after hours, up 330, 20% gain. Now we need to get this through here to get to the next target, which is about 22.5 and then 27. RNG, RingCentral, exploded for 3 days now, well, 2 days, and it's gone from 37 to 54 in that period. But more importantly, a key breakout of a long-term resistance. At this point, I think the stock can run, but it may need to consolidate. My target is 60. With the market coming down due to semiconductors, the SOX is thriving, or at least it's beginning to. It looks like it's trying to come out. Today's the first day it closed above that 50-day moving average since back in March. So we may be seeing a follow-through tomorrow. If we do, I'll be looking at 60 and 65. And finally, ZETA, another one of GC's favorites. Nice action, wedge pattern, key resistance, 23 and 26, and those are your targets going forward. That's it for tonight, everybody. Have a great evening.